Friends, I welcome you to this video tutorial on research statistics using SPSS. In this video tutorial, let us see how graphs are drawn in SPSS, how we will make use of SPSS to draw the graphs. And to do, first let me open my SPSS page. This is the SPSS page where you can see the same data which we have used for doing the frequency and other calculations. Let me tell you, to draw graphs in SPSS there are two-three techniques, two-three ways. The first one is you can use the analyze button, and let me show you how, with using the analyze option, how you can draw the graph. I'll first keep in data view. You can also use the variable view. So I'm using the data view. I'll click on analyze, then I'll click on descriptive statistics, then on frequencies. So when you click on frequencies, this is how it will appear. This message box comes. So you can see on the right extreme there is statistics and charts. So you will now choose the variable for which the graph is required. So for the time being I am choosing the gender, and I will click on gender and it will be transferring to this box. Then I will click on statistics and will choose the graph format which is required for me. There are bar charts, pie chart, histograms. So when you are using the analyze descriptive options, you can see only this many graphs: bar chart, pie chart and histogram. If you want other charts, you have to go for the second option. So let us see, for the time being I am using bar chart. Then I am giving, this is based on frequencies. If you want percentage wise, you can click on percentage also. So I am clicking on continue. Then let me see if something is clicked in statistics, nothing is there, format, nothing is there. Then you have to simply click on, you can untick this display frequency tables, then you can click on OK. Yeah, now our graph is ready. So this is the graph of the gender of the students. So when you see the graph, you can make out that this is frequency wise. There are 50 males and there are 50 females, 50 females and 50 males. So this is one of the ways. Now let me move to the second option. We are again coming to the data view. Then you can see, after analyze, direct marketing is there, graphs. You can see, you can click on graphs. Even in graphs also there are two options. One is the chart builder and the other is legacy dialogues. Okay, so either you can use the chart builder or legacy dialogues. So let us see first how chart builder is used. So first click on data view, then click on graphs, then you can click on the chart builder. When you click on chart builder, it will ask you whether you have defined your variable properties. For example, for male and female we have given male and female, and for rest of the variables we have given the like one for private, second for management and all. So we have defined all the variables. So if it is not done, you have to click on this variable properties and you have to make, give the requisite information. Otherwise you can simply click on OK. So when you click on OK, this window will appear. See, so you can now go to the gallery. First you have to click on gallery. So you have to see which chart you want. For example, if you want the bar chart, you can click on bar chart, then the default shapes will come here. So for the time being I am taking this basic model. I'll take this model and will drag to this, what we call this box. If you want this, you can click and drag that. So for the time being I am simply clicking on this simple bar chart model. Then I have to click on x-axis, what variable I need it in x-axis. So we are selecting the gender and it is dragged onto this box. Let me show you again. You have to click on this gender and you have to drag to this box. Now y-axis you can leave as it is because the count will automatically generated. If you want to remove the count and if you want percentage or mean, everything you can, whatever you require, that can be selected from here. For the time being I am keeping on gender. Now you can also use all these properties, okay. So but for the time being I am not using all those properties. I am just, after doing this I am just clicking on OK. See, you can see the graph generated in the output window. This is the gender of the students, females are 50 and males are 15 number. Now let me again show you the third option. You have to go to graphs. First let me reduce this data view. You have to go to graphs, then legacy dialogues. Let me show you how you can generate a histogram. Here now I am using the histogram option. I am clicking on histogram. So in the variable I am selecting the final score of teaching competency. This is the variable which I require the histogram. Then this you can leave as it is. If you want normal curve, if you want the normal curve to be displayed, you can tick this. Now template, use chart specification from, nothing has to be done there. Title you can see, nothing has to be done. This can be done later also. Now you can simply click on OK. So when you click on OK, you can see in the output window the histogram will be generated. So this is the histogram with normal probability curve for that particular variable. So friends, so this is how charts are developed in SPSS. So there are, let me again remind you, there are 2-3 options. First one is using the analyze, then you can use the 2 options available in the graphs. Thank you for watching.